Welcome back. In our layout, we have 5 buttons: black, green, purple, red, and yellow. We need to add the sounds that are in French that allows the user, when he clicks on black, it will plays the black sound in French. For that, I prepared these 5 MP3 files. These are audio files, and where I should place them. Drawable? No. I need to create a new Android resource directory, which is called raw. I want from you to focus with me in this lesson because there are very important concepts that we'll cover. The raw folder is a directory where you can place various types of raw resources that your Android application might need. Raw resources are files that you don't want the system to process in any special way. They are stored as is and can be accessed using resources IDs and names. Click OK, and this is the raw folder. You can store raw data files like in form of JSON files, XML files, or binary files. These files are not pre-processed by Android's resource system, which means they will be included in the APK exactly as you place them in the resources/raw directory. The media files. You can also store audio or video files such as sound clips or video clips in the raw folder. These files can be played back using the appropriate Android APIs. And this is our case. This is why we created this raw folder, in order to place the audio files inside it. So I placed 5 audio files. To access a raw resource, for example, the red file, you'll need to use the resource ID that it is automatically generated for each file you place in the raw directory. Now let's move to the main activity and learn about the media player that allows us to play these sounds. Initialize the buttons. Now, I want from you to focus with me with this concept, the media player. I'll start testing by the red button .set on click listener, new view on click listener. And when clicking on the red button, I need to start the media player class that allows us to play the red sound. I'll start by using media player equal to new media player. Of course, I need to import the class from the android.media package. The media player class in Android Studio is a part of the Android Multimedia framework that provides a high-level interface for playing audio and video files. It allows you to play various media formats and provides methods for controlling playback, handling playback events, and managing media resources. You can create an instance of media player class by creating media player equal new media player using this constructor, or by using the static create method. So here is the preferable way to create the media player dot create, and here I need to use the context and pass the context and the URI, the file that I need to play. Again guys, I can create a media player by creating a new instance from it, or by using the create method. And this create method, if I hover on it, I need to pass a context and a URI. So the context, I'll use this that refers to the context of this main activity, and the second one, or the second parameter, is the audio file that I need to play, or the video file also, or the raw file that I need to play. r.raw.red. I can change this to get application context. And get application context is a method that it is used to retrieve the application context associated with the current application. It's a method provided by the context class, which is a fundamental component in the Android framework that provides access to the various application level resources and services. For example, the raw folder in this case. I created this media player instance by using the MediaPlayer.create method, and I passed the application context and the red resource in the raw folder. I need to play the sound, so MediaPlayer instance dot. I can use play, pause, prepare, stop, and other functions. Start. Let's test our application. Let's click on the red button, and you can hear the sound is played correctly.